Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jumper battery pack. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral, and the parking brake is firmly engaged. It's also crucial to turn off all electronic accessories in both vehicles, such as lights, radio, and air conditioning, to prevent any electrical surges or damage. Your safety is paramount throughout this process. Now let's connect the jumper pack. First, take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection. Never connect the black clamp directly to the negative terminal of the dead battery, as this can cause sparks and potential hazards. With the jumper pack connected, it's time to attempt starting your vehicle. Allow the jumper pack to charge the dead battery for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the battery some initial power. After this waiting period, try to start your vehicle for no more than 5 seconds at a time. If it doesn't start immediately, wait approximately 1 minute before attempting to start it again. This prevents overheating the starter motor and allows the battery to recover slightly. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's time to safely disconnect the jumper pack. Remember to reverse the connection order. First, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 20 minutes to ensure its battery recharges sufficiently from the alternator. This helps prevent your battery from dying again shortly after starting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.